All right, so in this video, we're going to show you how to order the patches. So you're going to first go and open your browser, and you're going to go to the LifeWave store. Whoever sent you to LifeWave, I'm shopping under my store, Jody Hatzel. So make sure you're in the correct store, and then you're going to make sure that you have selected the country that you reside in. This is really important because there are different options made available depending on what country you're in. Okay, so once that is set, um, there are two ways to order from LifeWave: as a retail customer and as a wholesale customer. We do not recommend ordering retail as it costs more, and if you want a lower price as a retail customer, you must sign up for a monthly auto ship. To order wholesale, you sign up for a kit, but there's no pressure to order more or even to enroll in auto ship if you don't want to. And if you decide to share in the future, you are already set up to gain potentially amazing financial benefits. So there's really no downside to ordering wholesale. And I am so glad I did when I started. So here I'm going to show you how to order wholesale first. It's super easy. So you're going to go to the store, you're going to click on join. And this is where it's going to bring up what they call the enrollment kits, where you're enrolling as a wholesaler. And so you're going to pick your kit from all of these options down here. We recommend that if you're a single person and you want to try out the patches, the best deal is the silver, and it'll give you anywhere from 3 to 5 patches depending on what you buy. The bronze, you actually have to pay the enrollment fee on top of it. So with the silver, it's absorbed in the cost, so it's a much better deal. So we recommend, if you're a single person trying it out, or even if you're a couple and you want to try out, say, just the X39, you could do silver. If you are a family with 2 to 3 people, we recommend the gold to try out. And then if you have a large family, or if you really want to save on a discount, if you really want to get a really good discount, you want to go with the diamond because you get a lot more patches. And I believe the patches come out, the X39 by itself is $99 a month wholesale. And if you do the diamond, I think it comes out to like $84 a sleeve, something like that. But there are other patches that are cheaper, so you can mix and match your patches on your kit, which is great. And again, you do not have to sign up for auto ship if you don't want. So I'm going to walk you through enrolling for silver. So you go to this page, click on select. And once you hit select, it automatically fills your kit with all X39 patches because it is the most popular patch and it is basically the mothership of patches. I highly recommend at least getting one sleeve of X39 patches, and a sleeve is 30 patches. So that's a month's supply. So if you are a person that wants to try them out for 3 months and you only want X39, this is perfect. You can go ahead and click continue and I'll show you that in a little bit more. But if you want to customize your kit, if you want to try a few more patches, what you can do is reduce this to say 1, if you want to try that for a month, and then say you want to try some other patches. I'm not going to go over all the patches here because you can look at our all patches page on our website, and it goes into detail on all the patches. If you have pain and inflammation, which a lot of people have, I highly recommend adding an Eon patch, an Eon sleeve. You might even want to add 2. You can use more than one Eon sleeve, one Eon patch at a time. And I do that sometimes if I'm having problems in certain areas. This is great to use together, the X39 and the Eon. You can also add Ice Wave if you're having a lot of pain. And so here you've got 3, but you still have room in your bucket for more patches. So what you could do, if you're really just concerned about pain and inflammation, I would add 2 Eon and 2 Ice Wave. And then you've got a great pain and inflammation bundle here, and you can click continue to move on. If you don't have that problem and you have other issues you want to work on, if you want to add energy enhancer because you know you're having low energy, if you want, if you're having problems sleeping, you can add Silent Nights. If you are concerned about your skin, Aloe Vita is amazing and it also helps you sleep. And then the X49 is a great patch for EMF radiation protection and radiation poisoning, and building muscle, and having your athletic performance improved, that kind of stuff. We'll have different visuals for different kits that you can customize on our website. So here is what I'm just going to move forward with this pain and inflammation, because it seems like so many people have a problem with this. So I'm going to continue. And then here is where you can set up your monthly subscription. If you decide not to, all you have to do is just say, do not set a monthly subscription order for now. I highly recommend you set one up, because once you try these, you're not going to be without them. And you want to have it already set up. You can always go back and cancel it, or push it out to any date in the future, or adjust it. So whatever you put in your in your enrollment kit does not mean that's in your subscription order. You get to select what's in your subscription order. So say you ordered 3 months worth of product, then all you have to do is push it out for 3 months, and say you want to start it on March 8th. And then you can select from here what you want in your monthly subscription. And again, you can adjust it at any time. I actually adjust mine every month to try out the different patches. So right here, they have the monthly performance bundle, which is the X39, the X49. That's a great bundle, and you save even more, because these are both $99 each. And so you're saving at least $20 on this. That's a great one to have. That's usually what I have, is those two. And then sometimes I mix and match with other patches. So you could add that, and that could be your monthly subscription. Or if you want to go and select individual patches, you would click down here, and then you have all these to select from. So you could just say, oh, you know what? I just want one sleeve of X39, and that's all I want on my auto ship. So if you do that, then you would click save, and it moves you forward through the process. And then here is where you enter your personal information. And then if you scroll down, you'll see where you're going to select your username and your password. So make sure you remember this. And I would make your username, because it's going to be the name of your storefront, your website. So it'll be lifewave.com/whatever. So mine is lifewave.com/Jody Hatzel. So people know that's me. So I would make it something easy to remember. If you want it your business name, if you have a business, that's fine, or your personal name. That's usually the easiest for people to recognize when they go to your storefront. You'll enter your shipping information for the order, your enrollment order, and then shipping information for your monthly subscription. It's a different process, so that's why you have to enter it twice, but you can just click that and say it's the same address. Then you enter your billing and your payment, and then you agree to the brand partner agreement, and then you move forward. And then you'll go into the shipping calculation and all that stuff. Depending on how many patches you order, usually your total, the shipping is usually $8.20, which is great. And usually it ships within 24 hours, within one business day. So you usually get your patches right away. So that is how you order wholesale. It's really easy. Now, if you want to order retail, you're going to go again to the website that your person sent you to, and you're going to go under shop. Under shop, they've usually got promotions here. If you already know what patch you want, and we have all this information on our website about all the different patches, so you can kind of peruse and see which ones work for you. Say you just want to try out the X39. You would click on X39, and then that would take you to the option of just doing the X39 or doing the performance bundle that I talked about before. So you'll click on X39 if you just want X39 patch. And then here you'll see the retail price, which is $149.95, and then the subscription price, which is $99.95. That's quite a bit of a savings. So here you first do add to cart, and then it will give you your choices. You can select guest, which is your regular retail price of $149.95, or you can sign up as a preferred customer, but you must sign up for the monthly subscription order, and it has to be monthly. So you can't, I don't believe you can adjust it. I'm not sure, but I know as a wholesaler, you can adjust it to be whatever you want. So here you'll get some loyalty rewards, and you can get access to the InTouch app that they have. That's really cool. And then you could even go farther and add on, I believe it's $19.95 for the Preferred Plus customer, and you get wholesale pricing, you get subscription program again, you get loyalty rewards, but you also get free product samples, and then you get a share program where you can get discounts and things off your order. It's not a bad deal, but again, you don't have the flexibility that you do as a wholesaler. As a wholesaler, you can add what they call maintenance kits, which is a huge discount off your prices. You don't have that option here. So again, I don't recommend this, but you can do it this way. Once you do this, it'll save it in your subscription order, and then you can add other products as you see fit. If you want to do an X49, you know, if you want to do other patches, you can go ahead and add those as well. And it'll just take you, I'll just do this. It'll take you through the process once you do that. And then you can also add to cart. So it's already in your monthly subscription order, but you can say add to cart. You can add another one if you want. And then you can go out and add other things to your cart if you want to add X49. If you want to add X49, I would definitely go with the performance bundle. That's the best deal. And so anyway, so that's how you do that. And then you would just follow the instructions where it would do your shipping and your payment and all that stuff as usual. The thing that I want to make sure you remember is remember your customer ID number, because it's very important to have on you. So they'll send you an email as soon as you order. Make sure you print that email out and save it so you have your customer ID number. You can always live chat here if you have questions, and their customer service is amazing. It's people in the United States, or I think in Ireland, and they are very knowledgeable. They do have long wait lines, but their customer service is amazing, and you can call it at any time and they will answer your question. You might have to wait 20 or so minutes sometimes, but they will always answer your question. So that is how you order the patches.